part 2, although technically speaking it's part 3. The journey between Loch Gilphead and Tarbert, a big insect had hit the camera, so the footage isn't usable. So here we are heading down through Tighnabruaich as we're going to make our way towards the Colintrive ferry across the Bute. The road here is a bit mixed between the single track and double track. Parts have been resurfaced, so generally there are no bad potholes, but there are a few bits where the road can be quite rutted still. We're going to stop a little way along the road here to get a view over the Isle of Bute. Here's the viewpoint. There's a map here that shows everything you can see if you stop at this point to study. It gives lovely views across the Kyles. So here we are looking out onto Bute and looking down the coast to where we were for lunch at Kames. And now we're on the road again, making our way towards the Colintrive ferry. This single track road takes you towards a sort of major road where there's a branch that takes you off onto the road. Although the roads are narrow, you can see there is at least room to pass here, although there are passing places of two larger vehicles from one another. As has rejoined the main road. So a little down this road is the fort that will take you back towards the moon, and we're carrying on down the Colintrive. Short ferry crossing, but nice views as you cross. Here we are now on the Bute side, making our way around the island where we will end at Rothsay and take the ferry back.